Hello and welcome to We Learn. This is session 3 of Foundation course in Science and Technology, Iron Age. Topics to be covered: Introduction, Science in the Iron Age India, Science in the Iron Age Greek, Atomic Theories in Antique, Decline of a European Science. So yes, in this session we will basically going to discuss about the Iron Age. As in the previous session, we will actually get an idea and a techniques of early human beings and trace the root of a science in the primitive culture. So in that, yes, our main attention is to giving out the equal importance in our history of a science known as Iron Age. Iron Age की बेसिक जो हम ये कह लें कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस एंड येस एट द सेम टाइम उसकी जो एक इम्पॉर्टेंस है वो उतनी ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है जितना कि बाकी हिस्ट्री की है. So yes, in 15th centuries, basically in BC, the civilization was no longer limited to the few river basins, but had spread to the major cultivated areas of Asia, North Africa, and Europe. The spread of the civilization was aided by the discovery and use of a new metal, iron, which leads to this period being called as an Iron Age. So the Iron Age did not bring about any remarkable technical advance such as Bronze Age, but however the ability of a cheap and abundant metal lead to the widespread changes as this cultivation spread far and wider. So it also affects the relationship between the various social classes. अगर हम लोग previous eras के साथ आयरन एज को कंपेयर करें सो येस बहुत बड़ी कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस आयरन एज के अंदर नहीं है, बट डिस्कवरीज ऑफ न्यू मेटल्स आयरन्स जो कि इस एज को आयरन एज बनाते हैं, दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द वी कैन से दैट द हिस्ट्री और द स्प्रेड आउट एरिया इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एज. यस, इस एज में आयरन एज के अंदर द पीपल आर नॉट लिमिटेड टू देयर लोकलाइज्ड एरिया, दे वर एक्चुअली स्प्रेडेड आउट टू डिफरेंट कल्टिवेट एरियाज. बेसिकली these areas are of Asia, areas of North Africa and Europe. They were actually spreading out this civilization with the help of different metals, and yes, at the same time the cheap अवेलेबिलिटीज ऑफ दैट मेटल वॉज वेरी हाई, थ्रू विच एक बहुत सारी कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस और बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स की फॉर्मेशंस हुई थी फॉर दैट, जस्ट फॉर द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ दैट मेटल. एंड येस, उसके बेसिस पर दे ऑल्सो इफेक्ट्स द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द वेरियस सोशल क्लासेस. If we see in the Iron Age in India, yes, the first thing to be introduced in the India is the Rig Vedas period. Rig Veda period is basically the Aryan group were always on the move and in the constant step which each others or other local non-Aryans was using. Yes, this is what they were, the certain kind of tools as we see in the pictures. ये era जो था basically this era is the आर्यन ग्रुप एंड इन्होंने बहुत सारे टूल्स को जनरेट किया था, बहुत सारे यूटिलाइजेशंस को यूज़ किया था जस्ट टू सेटल डाउन दी वेरियस ट्रबल्स, क्योंकि इस एरा के अंदर, इस पीरियड के अंदर बहुत सारे ट्रबल्स फेस किए गए थे आर्यंस ने. सो देयरफॉर दे डिड नॉट हैव एन इनफ अपॉर्चुनिटी टू डेवलप साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, बट येस देयर टेक्नोलॉजी अमाउंटेड मोस्टली टू द कंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑफ द आयरन टूल्स, वेपन्स ऑफ अ वॉर. तो इस तरीके के वेपन्स में इन लोगों ने ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट किया था रादर ऑन दी वेरी ह्यूज टेक्नोलॉजीज इन दी साइंस. एंड अदर इज़ दी युजवेदास पीरियड जो कि 700 BC से 400 BC तक था. दिस इज़ बेसिकली इन Yugvedas speak of, they were basically discussing about the pullings and they were basically using the tools to bringing out the crop factors and yes, at the same time they were working on the indispensable for driving the deep flows of heavy soils, कि किस तरीके से सॉइल्स का यूटिलाइज़ करना है, किस तरीके से फर्टिलिटीज़ यूज़ करें. सो इस तरीके के टूल्स को ज़्यादा बनाया गया इस युग के अंदर. Then emergence of the urban society. If we talk about the emergence of the urban society, yes, the writing of this period also gives us a picture of a social condition. इन्होंने एक social condition की हम लोगों को एक picture दिखाई थी कि what exactly the social picture of the society. So that is why the urban societies comes into. The social structure was undergoing radical changes at this time. फ्रॉम दी ट्रैवल टू दी मोर स्ट्रक्चर्ड अर्बन एरिया. वी वर एक्चुअली ये जितने भी सोशल स्ट्रक्चर्स थे वो एक बहुत ज़्यादा अर्बन सोसाइटी की तरफ हमें लेकर जा रहे थे, थोड़े से स्ट्रक्चर्ड बना रहे थे, जिससे पहले कि इससे पहले इतना स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रोसेस नहीं था. By the time of the Aryans started their eastward programs, a new sort of a trouble slave like the Dasa were being used in the extra labors. तो एक लेबरल कॉन्सेप्ट भी इसी एरास के अंदर राइज हुआ था. जिन्होंने कंट्रीब्यूट, येस इट इज़ एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द आर्यन एज. सो इट इज़ व्हाट अ हाईली डेवलप्ड priesthood specializing in the sacrificial rites combining Aryans and pre-Aryans practices was come into the beginning. So that is what the Aryans practices was the come into a beginning. They were actually considering that jitni bhi higher developed classes hoti hain, they were comes into the Aryans and the rest was the considered as the labor. So most importantly that is what commodity production was becoming established. बहुत सारी commodity making शुरू हो गई थी, and when its commodity production was there, so yes definitely there was a certain kind of trades. ट्रेड के ऑप्शंस खुल गए थे, ट्रेड रूट्स खुल गए थे. सो दैट इज़ वाई ट्रेड रूट्स ऑफ उत्तरापाथा एंड द लेटर द दक्षिणापाथ वर बेसिकली स्टैब्लिश. तो ये एक ट्रेड रूट्स थे जिन्हें एक ट्रेडर्स की तरह ट्रीट किया जाता था कि किस तरीके से बिजनेस करना है, बिकॉज दे वर इन द कंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स. सो ट्रेडर्स नोन एज द सरथवाहस. And yes, at the same time they was bringing out the route कि किस तरीके की tradings कहाँ पर होंगे, and from the coins found in the extra convenience it can be deduct that regular coinage has comes into use of end of 17th centuries BC. So that means this is the one of again contribution कि coin usage तो थी वो start हो गई थी 7th century of BC में. And yes, at the about the end of this period professional appeared in the field of science, medical and technology was comes into a picture. जितना भी professional technologies थी उनकी come up शुरू हो गई थी. So yes, in that case अगर हम ये बोले तो this students from all along the Uttapa starts to travel from the center of learning just to get that specialized training. एक वो specialized training लेने के लिए they moved on and they comes into that particular picture. So that is what comes into, and yes a new orderly social life comes into जब एक knowledge, tradings, productions of that particular product, these all things are started, so that leads towards the further social life, social comings जो कि 800 to 600 BC के अंदर startup हो गई थी. दिस इज़ वॉट दी स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ दी आयरन एज इन इंडिया. आयरन एज में ये कुछ पर्टिकुलर एरियाज़ हैं जहाँ पर मेक ब्रिंगिंग शुरू हुई थी, जहाँ से आर्यंस की ब्रिंगिंग शुरू हुई थी. एंड येस उसके बाद एक आयरन एज ने एक अच्छी खासी कंट्रीब्यूशन एशिया एंड येस इंडिया के अंदर दी है. नाउ अनदर इज़ येस एमर्जेंस ऑफ साइंसेस. इस एरा में बेसिकली साइंस का क्या एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल आया, व्हाट आर द एमर्जेंस ऑफ साइंसेस. सो इफ़ वी कंसीडर दैट, सो येस वी get a glimpse of the social structure in India. एक social structure of India का idea we already get it. So with this stage was basically set up for the tremendous development in science and technology. This basically stage, and yes at the same time the advance in the various areas of science like astronomy, mathematics, chemistry, botany, zoologies, they were actually comes into a picture. These topics are comes into a picture. So that is why this picture is showing a few pictures जिसके अंदर ये एक iron objects हैं which is found from the various sides who were actually giving the portions of कि किस तरीके से एक ring chains बनाई जाती थी, क्या iron ace होते थे, and spread heads are like the objects, these are spread heads, and yes at the same time they were considered as a ace. This is what the ringed chains. So these things are actually comes into the pictures, and ये एक contribution show करता है society के अंदर. Another is development in medicines. Yes, they were basically discussing they actually in this Vedic period healing was thought to be the duty of priest. like healing एक बहुत बड़ा object देखा जाता था जो priest की तरफ से, एंड डिजीज वॉज सीन एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ अ गॉड सिंस यानी कि आपको डिजीज़ एक गॉड सेंस की तरह देखा जाता था कि इफ़ यू डू समथिंग रॉन्ग तो दे गिव्स यू अ पनिश एंड इस बेसिस पर यू गेट अ डिजीज़. So the ideas was come into how to cure that diseases, what kind of what is the origin of diseases, and yes, how to heal that disease, what are the beneficial treatment for that disease, what are the surgeries in the Vedic text. So इन सब की एक contribution जो थी वो शुरू हो गई थी इसी वेदा के अंदर. So the first is what the Ayurvedic system of medicine. This is a kind of one of the biggest contribution which is started in this era, and they were basically trying to treat the people with the help of the available resources. So that is what the Ayurvedic system of medicine. Another is approaches and tools. This is what the physicians was do their role, and they were actually taking the help of a various tools जिसके through वो उन्हें cure कर सकते थे patients को. Then physicians was basically direct his attention towards curing the patient and helping them. Another is medical knowledge was little bit spread out. Another is diagnostic and prognosis. In terms of this is basically dealing about how seeing, hearing, smelling, touching that particular disease or cure area, and then understanding and examining them. This is what the diagnosis kind of things was done in that era. एक अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश की जाती थी कि मेन कॉज क्या है डिजीज़ का. तो दैट्स कम्स इनटू डायग्नोसिस एंड prognosis. Another is what curing method. Curing method is what to cure out from the 5 main techniques. क्योरिंग मेथड्स के अंदर बहुत सारी टेक्निक्सों के बारे में बताया हुआ था कि किस तरीके से क्योर किया जा सकता है. दे वर बेसिकली अ 5 मेन हेड्स विच इज़ इंक्लूडेड एज अ क्योरिंग. वन इज़ वॉमिटिंग, गिविंग द प्रूगेटिव्स, एनीमास एंड ऑयलिंग एनीमास एंड दी नेजल थेरेपीज़. इस तरीके के टूल्स को बेसिकली यूज़ किया जाता था जस्ट टू, और वी कैन से दैट दीज आर द वेरियस टेक्निक्स और मेथड जिसके थ्रू एक क्योरिंग शुरू होती थी. देन सर्जरी. सर्जरी इज़ बेसिकली येस इट इज़ व्हाट गेटिंग ऑन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑन द physiological part of the human body. So surgeries may, yes, there was not a major surgeries was conducted in that particular era, but yes, they were trying to avoid all the dangerous places of the human body, but they're trying to understand, because that surgery requires the understanding of a very detailed, or we can say that very good understanding about the human body, and yes, at the same time getting the understanding about the internal organs. So that results to the surgeries. So these are the few contributions in this era which actually contribute in the medicines and the development in the medicine technology in Iron Age. Next is what science in the Iron Age in the Greece. Greece is one of the most remarkable feature of world history of the Iron Age is similarity of development of culture in India and in Greece. So there was trade between two areas. The spread of a knowledge may have taken place through West Asia and finally through the direct contact established in the time of Alexander's. But yes, at the same time, it is considered as one of the good area from the Greek side. So it is therefore easy to see that India and Greek cosmonic speculations, medicines and surgeries comes to influence each other through this contact. Yes, they were somehow somewhere related, but the main contributions comes into the Greek side, and yes, they were actually the caste structure was relegant all the particular and manual work to the lower caste. Manual work was being associated with the slaves in Greek, but yes, they were basically deals that one of the similarity, we were actually bringing out certain comparisons between India's and Greek factors, but one of the similarity between the India and a Greek civilization was growth of a same kind of the stratified social structure at about the same time. So social improvement, social structure improvement was there, and yes, with the same time it is improved. So in that case, yes, another is what the patronization by the rules of a group of people whose profession was contemplate and to teach lead to the peculiar development of a science during this period. So a group of people was there who were always there to teach, and that's yes, at the same time they were considered as on the development of a science, the biggest role of the science development. it is interacting to note that there is a basic difference between Indian and Greek science in terms of the ideologies and the religious system. So एक ये difference बहुत ज़्यादा था that Greek and India में एक ideology concept और religious concept की differences was always there, जो कि एक उनके जो contributions को differ कर गए. So in the Greek science this was the age of questioning, and the philosopher scientists continuously look for the reasons and cause of a things was always there. So in the early Greek, philosophers of the 6th centuries BC was basically related to what the world was and how it comes to be without the interventions of God. इस तरीके की ideologies was generated in that Iron Age. And yes, at the same time, astrology, who was one of the leading Greek philosopher, comes to occupy a central place in the history of a science, because they were actually looking towards solving out these questions, and they were come up with the four, we can say that they come up with the 4 elements, that is earth, water, air and fire. It is attributed to these philosophers' contributions. He actually broke away from the ideal schools by refusing the considering how world was made. इस तरीके के confusions के आंसर्स देने के लिए yes they were looking for, but सबसे पहली contributions यही थी कि they come up with the 4 elements. Then other is development in the science era, some eras of sciences. कुछ eras of sciences में सबसे first era जो था, that is what the geometries and the astronomy is the first era. That means astronomy and geometry is basically considered of understanding the world perspective, that how is world created, how it looks. So in that case, the need of productory and an ideal world of perfect form and the proportion leads to development of the geometries. And yes, at the same time, the later occupy himself by the solution of a problems which were unanswered from the very long time. So in that case, such a sequencing of a circle and yes, doubling the cube, they actually failed, but yes, opened the way to study the geometries of curves. So geometries की study basically यहाँ से शुरू हुई थी. They were probably looking to the we can say that it is a contribution of the great mathematicians of the Greek, who were actually considering or trying to understanding the exam or taking the explanations of motion of sun, moon, planets by the mean set of concentric spheres. So each rotation about an axis fixed in the one other outside it. So the model was little cute, and it is looks towards the rotations of earth and part. In that series, yes, in that diagram we were actually discussing about the 5 regular geometrical solid जो कि define किए गए थे at the same time when the geometrics comes into a picture. This is again giving us the idea about the earth, understanding from that Greek part that what actually they considered about that the part. They were considering all the elements of earth, that is fire, air, water, earth, and yes, at the same time they were considering hot and dry, wet, dry and cold, and they were considering the earth's contributions in it. So these kind of contributions was arises in the geometric, mechanics and medicine systems. Now another is what the atomic theory in the antiques. This is one of the oldest of the Indian philosophy system. Was the Samakhya. The system was basically related to expect the consequences evolved out of preliminary matter. So the parallel of these theory was possibly giving the origins of the metallic cosmos. So this theory, this atomic theory is basically discussing about the interrelated existence of the few independent factors. They were considering about the philosophies, consciousness, intermass and energies, where the 3 forms of independent are there. And they were kind of related things to each other. They were considering that yes, they were trying to understanding the high level of intellectual activities, and philosophers has no hesitations at all in putting together the obviously contradictory ideas in their abstractions. They were always looking towards how to resolve that kind of a method, how to solve it out. So the philosopher is looking trying to answering about these questions. So the Jainis brought in karmas and souls within the otherwise metallurgical system. And if we talk about the other performance, so they were related to the previous life concept. Then decline of European science. This is what the period where the middle of the 2nd century BC saw the collapse of Greek Empire and the rise of the Roman Empire. So Roman economy was based on the loot by the military concerns and the agriculture by slaves. So there was no incentive to absorb new ideas and improve the technique. So there was in that phase when the Greek Empire is moving towards the Rome. So yes, many things are considered as a slow, and there was no contributions in science and technologies, and there were no improvement in that case. So this state of culture is basically a stagnation continued in Europe until about the 15th century AD. तो यूरोप में ये 15th century AD तक ये एक stagnant stage रहा था, when there was always incentive, military coercions was there, and agriculture part is become the slave. So yes, there are a few questions which you have to do it yourself. First is discuss the science in the Iron Age Greece, and discuss the science in the Iron Age India. So this is all about for the today's session. We were winding up here. Thank you so much. Happy learning. We learn.